Hi, my dear friends. Praise Jesus. I'm so excited today to be showing you a very simple asymmetrical flat twist on my natural hair. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, remember you can support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting in the comment section below, and also sharing my video if you like them. So today, as you can see, I'm just using the nice and lovely hair gel just to make my edges look nice and very smooth. And also I'm going to use the afro moisturizing butter just to moisturize my hair to make it feel soft for this hairstyle. And guys, I hope you're keeping it safe. How are you doing and what are you doing now? Is everything going on well with you? Are you keeping it safe? And I hope that the peace that surpasses human understanding is upon you and your family. And as you can see, I just started flat twisting my hair, and I'm going to flat twist my hair on this side to the back, as you can see. So flat twisting is very simple, and maybe if you don't know how to flat twist, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I will have a tutorial on how to flat twist your natural hair. So this is a very simple look. You can decide to wear it, maybe if you're just at home, or maybe you're going to work, you can wear this hairstyle, or maybe for casual occasions. So it is just a very simple and quick look that you can wear on your natural hair. So I'm just going to also secure this flat twist at the back with the hairpins, as you're going to see in a few. So let us have a conversation in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, my dear friends. As you can see now, I'm just securing my flat twist at the back with these hairpins. So very simple, right? Let me know if you're going to try wearing this hairstyle. So I'm also just flat twisting this side. And this is a very simple hairstyle that cannot ruin your hair, and it does not put a lot of pressure to your hair. And I will not get tired of letting you that know that for you to grow your hair to the length that you want to focus on doing hairstyles that do not put pressure on your natural hair, and also hairstyles that do not manipulate your hair. So if you minimize on those hairstyles, your hair will grow to the length that you desire, and you will have a very healthy natural hair. And don't put on hairstyles like when you're coming out of the salon, you cannot sleep for that night because of just a hairstyle on your head. I remember when I used to plait my hair, I would come out of the salon and I'm feeling a lot of pain on my scalp. Sometimes I will take painkillers and the pain will not go away. And that was one of the reasons that made me to say goodbye to plaiting. So I really enjoy doing my hair. I really do enjoy doing my hair, and it has really helped me to take care of my hair. And I have seen my hair growing and looking healthy as a result of that decision that I made. So as you can see, I'm just tying my hair in a low ponytail, and I am good to go. And I'm just applying the castor oil on my edges. It is my favorite oil, so I'm just applying on my edges. It has really helped my edges to grow, and it keeps my edges looking stronger and fuller. So I really like this oil, and you can also try out this oil. This oil does not disappoint. So I'm done. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to go for a walk in the compound and reflect on some few things, and just come back and sit in the house. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I was celebrating to have done this hairstyle. Like, I did not expect to come out the way it came out. So I really was feeling so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you in my next video. Keep safe.